Hey y'all, so my cousin asked me if I wanted to take a drive out to Trelawny. I said, then no must. I pack up all my work stuff and I so fast me reaching our car. Y'all, when I tell you said this did nice, it did nice, it did nice. Just the drive there alone, oh my gosh, the scenery. We got to take the toll road and oh my gosh, I am lost for words. For those of y'all don't know, Trelawny is about 30 to 40 minutes away from Montego Bay. So if you're ever visiting Jamaica and you're flying to Montego Bay, it is a quick Knoxford Express or taxi drive over there. I'm going to tell you, say, nice. Look at the scenery here. Oh my gosh, it's so nice. So let's see how I spend the day in Trelawny. Let YouTube know you're rocking with the channel by leaving something in the comment section. And as always, on a big up on yourself. All right. We're doing stuff, and of course, Dancer Keep. 9:30 in the morning on a Tuesday. Of course, you hear the music in the background because Jamaica is a whole vibe. They have some cute stuff in this hardware store. This is like, I guess, like a mini Home Depot. Y'all must stop by Home Depot. Everything, if it sell any little household stuff, may I say it's a mini Home Depot. Or the support belt. They have decor too. Cups and paint. Can you imagine paint and glass at the same eye? Them have fridge. Oh, the air fryer. But them things are cheap. I'm pretty sure these will be cheap at Price Mart. 23 to 24. 200. No money, we're cheaper at Walmart. Let's see. Oh, so this is where they store boards and cement and tanks and all the things that you'll need. So back here they have the tanks and the zinc, the plyboard, the pipes, the bag of cement. Or you can all get block over it. It's a one-stop shop. It's a one-stop shop right there. So because you remember you guys could get furniture and even air fryer and fridge inside, and then around there you can get cement and block. Oh, them bring it around the truck. And then back up the truck, them deliver and them something like that. So this is a one-stop shop. We have not like this a foreign. I don't know. Men, let me know. Them all have see you can arrange the tractor. I thought this was the equivalent to Home Depot, but well then again, I don't know. Yeah, because maybe Home Depot would have this round to the backside. So maybe it is still the equivalent to Home Depot. Men, let me know. I don't know. So he's going to get the tank that we ordered. Ride up. Oh, yeah. Oh, it lights, man. Okay, lighting. Okay. Yeah, I'm have to go over some more because of the cold. Okay. Okay. Efficiency. Look at that. Look at that. Easy. Easy one, two. So anybody in the Trelawny area, Rock Hardware Home Center is where you can come get everything from building your house to decorating your house to getting your air fryer. Anybody in the Trelawny area, and they provide drivers for you if you do not have transportation to transport your heavy stuff. Even ladder you can get from your. So can you imagine? So the man get piece of whatever wood that is. So check out Rock Hardware and Home Center for all your home building and decor needs. It is right next to the Go gas station and the 24-hour live fitness and health and wellness center. I'm pretty sure if you guys are from the area, you probably already familiar. Make a call, make a bong, 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 make a call, make a keep a deep bong, 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 your body, kakara, make a bong, 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 on a make it. Kilo fat, I'm a deck, jugger deck, fine, fine, no bucket, watch your love for like it, why not more, more, your body, jugger deck, push it ready, yeah, in my deck, the ball, see, kilo fat, why now, my lady, tell me within there, body, I'm a damn easy, baby, and you want to give me control. Take another stop. The weather is just lovely. Look at the blue skies, y'all. The weather is lovely. Walking through the bushes, and I got the kamaka bulk thingy. You tend to get the kamaka thingy on you when you're walking through. Let me show you these maca. Them thing like maca, but I don't know what them called. Let me go ask the man what they are. These are burr. Bulb. And you said that I shouldn't get them on my fingers. Why?
No man, Joe, we know if you pick them off on them too.
Oh, you can pick it off.
Yeah, cause if you pick that up, it is sticking on your finger.
Does it cause like any damage?
No, no cause no damage.
Let me just take a moment and express gratitude. Guys, I've been in Jamaica for little over a week now. Little over 2 weeks, pardon me. Little over 2 weeks, and I am still in just awe of the view, of the scenery. Like, granted, I am born and grown. This is where I grew, but it's like, I think it took me going away and moving away from Florida more specifically, because Florida kind of resembles, you still can get the beach and stuff. You're not gonna get it like this, but you can still get a little bit of resemblance of Jamaica. You know, you go to Fort Lauderdale side, you can still get your Jamaicans. So I honestly think, oh, it's windy, so my camera don't drop. But I honestly think it took me moving away from Florida, moving away from like Jamaican or Caribbean culture, to gain an appreciation, moving away from beach and island life, island living, because Texas now have nothing named island living. Okay, you want to go out take a pool, right? it took me moving away from that to gain such an appreciation. Something bite me? Oh, I'm more the mark of stuff on my pants. It took me moving away to gain an appreciation for this, guys. I'm in awe, I'm in gratitude to be experiencing this. Like, Jamaica nice, the scenery nice, the peace, the joy of just being home and just being around people. I saw this one lady video and she was like, you know, she live abroad and she was like, you know, to just be around people who speak your language, to have your culture, what share your culture and stuff. And it's like, it's something that I, this time around, being here, definitely won't take for granted. And as I said, it takes you going away, being in that American rat race, and then coming back to real. Not saying you can't appreciate it without moving away now, but it really like just being missing out on it and then coming back to it. It's kind of, I feel like me did at prison. I'm gonna get released. I'm gonna just appreciate freedom. That's what it feels like. Not equating America to prison, but the free. I understand how cartel feel. I understand what cartel feel like. Look out here, pretty man, guys. This is where I am going to be working today. Okay, this is where I'm going to be getting some work done today. This is my view while I work today. This working from home thing from Jamaica. This working from Jamaica thing is great. I'm in Jamaica. Where are you? I'm working from Jamaica. Where are you working from? All my remote workers. Where are you working from? What's your man? Oh my gosh. It's not too hot. It's windy. So, you know, it breaks the heat a little. I'm sitting in shade. But, oh, okay. Oh, blessings, blessings on blessings on blessings. I can smell the ocean just a little bit. I haven't like really fully smelled the ocean yet, but then again I haven't been too deep, and I've been stuck on this. I need to smell the ocean. I need to smell the ocean because when I got really to the point of being homesick, I called my aunt and I was like, if I could just come for smell the beach, I want come for smell the beach. So this is Neesberry, also one of my favorite fruits. Last time I had this was in Florida, not so long ago, but okay, so these are in American prices and definitely more expensive. Like the oxtail, for example, you're not gonna find that a road for $30. 30 US? Are you crazy? Nah, you're not gonna find that a road. But of course they're catering to tourists, so they put it in tourist prices, and this is why a lot of locals don't come to these restaurants. But no, we stick to the authentic side of things. Fried green plantain. One day we're gonna have to come and do that. My scared up self gonna have to come and do this one day. Oh, I've done the money then.
If you book in girls at the time when you're going to coffee shop, get back on. So, you plan to use PJ Patterson Highway today? Are you going to take the whole road home?
All right, y'all. So I just left that one restaurant slash bar slash meeting spot slash work remotely place. So we're just gonna run a few more errands and then we're gonna head back into Kingston. If we do anything exciting, I will let y'all see. So right now we're in Duncan Trelawny.
Duncans, Trelawny.
We're running an errand. Hello.
Hi, girl.
Hello. You're Carlos, right?
Yeah.
And this is your shop?
Yeah,
So if they're ever in Trelawny, they should stop by Duncans Trelawny.
right here.
Stop by, right? What is avenue name? What is she?
Lost Food. This is Main Street Duncans.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
and this is Lost Food Company.
Okay, okay. So come ask for Carlos, right?
Right.
All right. You have everything in there. All right, y'all. Because of the music, I had to mute up. But here is his shop. You have everything in here. Everything for your food needs. I'm gonna tell you something. You see, Jamaicans, we know how to hustle. We know how to start a business. If it's a big shop, a liquor shop, or the liquor, stall that them have on the side of the street, Jamaicans are going to know how to make ends meet. You see, because we don't have no governmental bailout, we have no food stamps, we have no child support. We don't really have nothing like that. And if we have it, it's not to my knowledge. It's not public knowledge. So we have to do it for our own. So you can see a Jamaican, them a walk on street, I sell fruits, or them set up on the stall, I sell something. If I candy them, I sell sweetie. Something them gonna be selling something. I love that entrepreneurial attitude from Jamaicans, and I just love that hustler mindset. See this man shop, him stock up all liquor him have in him shop. If you have the egg for breakfast, the liquor for the after party, everything you can find in here, man. So these are star apple. Oh, you know someone take my member it? Yeah, man, inside purple. Yeah, my member it, man.
Normally, me take, because I don't want my mouth stick up sushi in the bush and consume it.
Okay.
Oh, this is so good.
Normally we would eat it with our mouth because it's really sticky. We don't want to stick up our mouth. So we're at Uptown today. Just for now, we're foreigners. So what inside of that? Nice, man. I'm gonna say it's a Jamaica nice. Where else can you stop at the random side of the street and get fruits? Where else? Man, you can't hungry at Jamaica. Everywhere you go, fruit. The amount of fruits when I'm from, man, oh my gosh, you can't. And you just go on the tree and pick and eat. But that star fruit was really sticky. I can feel it. The stickiness, even though I was being careful. See the sign here at the shop. So remember when you're in town, stop by. If you're from here, stop by, show them some love, let them know how we send you know. Nice.
See the little goats.
Oh,
The crossings.
we're safe, guys. They can't run us down.
I think this was the old main road, you know.
This right here?
Yes.
Kids coming from school. So cute.
Can't ball in a life, man. Go on with it, go on with it. Do us. So we are coming here with a force, yeah. Blessing the reap and we coursing on full. Oh, we not rise and boast. Yeah, we give thanks like we need it the most. We have to give thanks like we really supposed to be thankful. Blessings all for my life, man. But thank God for the journey, the earnings, that's to the plus. Yeah. Gratitude is a must. Yeah. Blessings fall on my right hand. What's a toast to the friends that they love to be Lord. One time, things sit down in a class and we board that only see the road and we go on with the road. Word for me, say me tired thing. And you know it formed up to be a fire thing. Now up on stage with credits and I sing, yeah, Jimmy, I'll dig it soon, get the iron ring like hello, brother. Say I just saw ya, saw you post a spectacular photo. Keep it burning, yes, that's the motto. If you need a butter, pass through your soul. Yeah, man, in a live, man. Me have to thank God for the journey, the burning, so just to the plus.
Alright guys, so technically we're no longer in Trelawny. However, we're heading back to Kingston and we saw this yam place, this yam and saltfish place. We just had to stop, So let me show you guys. Let me show you from the entrance. Alright, so from here, Richmond Estate Road, we're heading back to Kingston and this is basically it. Yam, oh. Okay.
As the political ombudsman. In a statement today, Mr. Trump noted that he was advised, Mr. Trump also noted that $60 million was not used by this in the wake of an Eastern court for allocation. The bun tastes really nice.
Yeah, man, Rastaman really big thing, you know. Yeah, man.
The field conference previously conducted by the then standalone political ombudsman. I understand that the Electoral Commission of Jamaica has also been...
So just another example of what I was saying earlier, like all these entrepreneurs, all these business owners, right? This man just get a little spot right there and build up him kitchen, and right on the side of the street, y'all, he's making his roast yam and salt fish, and man, it is nice so till, and he's so nice, they're so friendly, you know, everybody looking for a hustle. It's like, it's not even like they're looking to manipulate you or anything like that. They're just like so friendly and welcoming, and it's like, okay, let's just set up on the side of the street, make some roast yam, sell, and be welcoming to people who stop by. Guys, you have to know to know. Like, I can't explain it. And again, this is something that I always knew, but I think leaving and going to the United States for 18 years, where you really find this. Yeah, you find food trucks, and yeah, you find people selling on the side of the road, but the permitting, and it just seems so official. I don't know how to explain it. It's just not saying they don't need permits here, but it's just different. If you know, you know. And it's roast hot. Who that must ask for?
Everton William.
Everton William.
Otherwise, Rasta, man.
All right.
We eat some food, man. See your love we are dry. See your love we bring.
Yes.
One heart.
Yes.
They don't know we no gone it. They don't know we are alive. Scrape up from yam.
Yes.
Yeah.
This parliament feels
Why scraping? You don't know. We not to do it over talking, but I make the customers get a nice roast yam. Well hot. I was scraping pretty. We're not too much I talking, but just to don't know what I want. I feel it is nice. This knife now, you use it for the yam, you put on this knife.
Okay, after you done the scraping.
After you done scraping, because it gets black. Yam hot. You can't just wash your hands, so you go around here. And then, otherwise you cook all the sick, natural sick. Yeah, no meat, Rasta with them thing here. Red peas and everything.
Okay.
You have a rag right here.
Okay.
You can leave this knife. You wipe off your hand clean and nice. And your hand you use. Remember out of your hand them at eat. And that's why we say it's love. I'm barely me do it for. Rasta man. So you have this rag now, you put it right here.
Okay.
Wipe again.
Okay.
You have next rag, this is one I clean one.
Yes.
This knife is clean. You wipe this one. Wipe this one. Also wipe your hand.
Yes, yes.
Put on that rag. So right here you have a prettier rag.
Okay.
So you wipe off your knife again. And your hand is very pretty.
Nice.
You go back to touch it.
Okay.
Don't worry about it talking. Remember she tastes too. Me make it taste well hot. Wow.
Oh,
Well hot. Yeah. Yeah. You want a little butter on it?
Yeah.
You want a little piece more yam on it. So. You put one little piece more.
Okay.
Still square. Your hand still clean. You catch on to more fish on that. Wow. Just like that. You put back this here so. You want butter on it?
Yes, yeah.
Alright.
Go on, butter.
You wipe off again with your wrap. Wipe up your knife again. Show them that yes. Wipe rag your so. Right finger on the axle. You're going to butter now. 1 half. There's peace in the thing. I love. Butter. Nice. Well hard. You can taste if you want with the butter or you want to go fish.
Oh, the fish. You want the fish, right? Yeah.
Or mackerel. Which one?
Fish.
Now mackerel and sauce.
Put it to them.
Alright. Alright.
I love time tonight, there's something.
Long time. Okay.
Estimated that Jamaica is on a path towards long-term sustainable
Yeah.
ocean and
Me and Simone doing business. See right there. Yeah. I'm going to do a little ship now. They put a mackerel.
murders compared to the corresponding
Yeah, right here. You want the Scotch bonnet pepper?
Yeah, no, you want to start with this? No.
Alright. Take out this one. Whoa, you get a mixed food.
Yes.
Yeah.
Nice.
This is so nice. Everton.
Look at that. Okay.
One on.
Yes.
Simone. Jealous.
Yes. And it's rose hot.
Yeah.
Rose hot.
Rose hot.
Yeah.
Right inside here, out of Richmond, you like what your food now?
Yes, people have a shell this girl.
I will tell you.
Of course.
So, big up yourself, my boy.
Big up, big up. Look on it, guys. Yes. All right, y'all. Let's see.
On Monday, members of the
This look
division
nice when I turn around.
celebration
This
in
look
honor of
good.
Superintendent Wilson. Described as a true leader, Superintendent Wilson is known for demanding excellence, not only in outcomes but in efforts to find them. His leadership brought tangible results. In November 2024, the Trelawny division was named the most improved division at the Transforming of People and Services Top Awards, hosted by the King's Supreme Council. Which is so this recognition stands as
No way I could.
evidence of his dedication to elevating the quality of service delivered.
After?
There's the United National Congress, UNC.
All the bonbon, I did the best part. That was good. I'm not gonna lie. I had full intentions of taking some home for later. That didn't happen. That is why I already gained 7 pounds. We stopped for pudding. She not gonna come out. She not coming out. No. Okay guys, so we stopped at the pudding place and oh my gosh, I couldn't decide. I got all 3. Wasn't I just talking about the 7 pounds that I gained? I got total, I got caramel, and I got potato. Okay, so this is total. This is what it looks like. And let's try it. It's moist, it's nice, it's good. See the coconut strip? Yeah. So this is a cornmeal. I think this is an eating channel at this point. Alright, we're gonna try the sweet potato. It's warm, it's hot, so look at this. Apple potato is so good. It smells good, so oh my gosh, it smells kind of good. Right. Yeah, the flavor is there. As I said, I had to get all 3 because if I didn't, then I would have been like, I wonder what the potato tastes like. I wonder what it comes from. Just like, you know what? We'll go gym tomorrow. We'll go for a walk tomorrow, okay? Alright, y'all, so I am going to wrap up this vlog. Thank you so much for watching a day working remotely in Trelawny, and you get to see Trelawny / St. Anne's, because we got the pudding and the yam in St. Anne's. So don't forget to let YouTube know that you're rocking with the channel by leaving something in the comment section. In the comment section, let me know if you ever had potato pudding, caramel pudding, or toto. And of the three, if you've never had them, of the three, which one you're more curious to try. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.